Hello everyone. So on the behalf of Sri Aurobindo Society, I Aarti welcome you all. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting innovative idea compiled by ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Educational Initiatives. In this video I'm going to talk about an interesting innovative idea called naming method from new age teaching techniques by the innovative teachers of Uttar Pradesh. The chapter I'll be covering from this idea is The Enormous Turnip from NCERT Class 5, Chapter 4, and the subject is English. The time duration for the activity is 20 minutes, but also depends on the strength of your class. The innovation is to bring ritual practice of naming into learning pedagogy. This idea helps in building their interconnection among the concept being taught by replacing the actual name with the allotted name for a particular time period. The concept is to revise vocabulary introduction with each other, helping verbs and adjectives. For this activity, teacher needs to choose individual names for each student of the class. These names chosen should have scope for value addition. Then make some slips with the name of fruits and vegetables. Assign these names to the student by attaching the slips with their shirts. Then after 2 days, add some information or verb adjective to the words given to the student. For example, the name of student 1 is cabbage, the name of student 2 is tomato, the name of student 3 is potato. So after 2 days, the names will the additional word will be fresh cabbage, red tomato, or potato can be eaten. Words like this can be added to the name of the student. This will lead to revision of the concept. Through this innovative idea, students can use the new words they have learned in small sentences. Student can use meaningful, grammatically correct sentences to describe and narrate incidents and for framing questions. They will learn to act according to the instructions given in English. This activity ensures the active participation of the student inside the classroom, which is a key aspect of peer learning. Core life skills that can be included are critical thinking, effective communication, and self awareness. Values that can be touched upon are equality, believing everyone deserves equal rights and be treated with respect, compassion, understanding others in their situation, and politeness, using good manners. Children with learning disabilities often struggle with remembering and relating new academic words. This will be a better way of learning. Slow learners or visual learners will look into new words, colors, or symbols frequently and will have a better retention. Children with intellectual disabilities will become part of class environment and will learn to respond the change accordingly. Children with autism are very rigid in terms of adapting to change. Through this activity, they will learn adaptive skills and new information. For this interesting innovative idea, that's all. I hope you like the video, and if you want more interesting videos from us, then please like, share, and subscribe our official channel of ZIIEI, and you can download our official ZIIEI Innovative Pathshala app from Google Play Store. Thank you.